Good morning, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today it's not gonna be a pretty video. You won't see a lot of b-roll or anything cinematic. So I'm having a problem with a rattle from the exhaust again, and it's caused by the flap in the exhaust. So for some reason it got loose and again it started rattling. And I think the solution for that might be to actually take out the pin, bend it a bit and make sure that it's pushing more on the flap, and in that way it should stop it from rattling. I'm not sure if it will work, but I'm hoping it will, because it's rather annoying. It's embarrassing when I'm driving a car, when I'm driving through the car park and you can just hear that rattle all the time. So take the actuator out and the pin out. So what I'm going to do now is basically loosen these three bolts here to lift the actuator, and then I can remove the pin and bend it a bit. Get to the pin. I think I have to actually remove the actuator. So I'm going to remove the bolts completely. And now you can simply lift the actuator. As you can see, this is the pin. The pin goes in this way and basically connects the actuator, which is here, with the valve which is inside the exhaust, and basically moves it around. Unfortunately, the rattle is, I think, caused because it's not pushing on the valve hard enough, so the valve starts moving around. So let's try to bend it and put it back in together and see if that helps. So I managed to bend it a bit, so it's probably a bit wider now by, I don't know, 2-3 millimeters. That should be enough actually to stop the rattling. So I'll try to assemble it again and check if it helped. So as you can see now, I actually have to put some pressure on the actuator for it to stay where it will be. That means that there will be a pressure on the pin and on the valve, so that should stop the rattling. So hopefully this will fix my problem. So it looks like the problem is fixed. I'm really glad, because it was really annoying me. Hopefully this video will help you to get rid of your rattling issue in your BMW. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.